Yo, what up, Fart Army? Today, I'm gonna be going to the hood and asking for change for $1. But what they don't know is when I ask for change, I'm gonna sneeze on them. Let's go. Hey, excuse me, do you got change for $1?
Nah, I'm sorry. Really, bruh?
Prank you very much.
What?
you just got pranked, man. See the camera behind the bush? You got pranked. All right, catch you later, Fart Army. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. I love you. Like my Twitter. I got Snapchat too. Check it out. I don't know what the link is. I'll get it. Bye.